Today we're cleaning our fruits and eating them too, with the help of our new 700-degree scrubbing fruit cleaner from Joyloop. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your instructions, and then your Joyloop cleaning device. That's it, and that's all you need. The Joyloop fruit cleaner comes complete with a scrub brush that pulls the fruit through and cleans from all sides. Just give it a little crank, and the Joyloop will do the rest. To get started, fill it with water to the fill line, and then find some fruit. Plop your fruit in the Joyloop and give it a spin. The brushes safely remove any wax, dirt, dust, or any other unwanted things from your fruit. We even put some smaller tomatoes in there, straight from our garden. And yes, a tomato is indeed a fruit. Anyway, look at the difference it makes. No dirty tomatoes for this guy. It works best with things like grapes, but we managed to clean some bigger fruits too. Basically, if it can fit through the brush section, you're good to clean your fruits. Then when you're done, you can lift up the middle insert and strain your fruit, leaving all the dirty water below. It's super easy to use and makes cleaning your fruit fun. Now I have all the clean fruits for my smoothies and can spoil our chickens with the freshest treats. So if you want to stay in the loop and keep your fruit clean as well, the Joyloop fruit cleaner might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go spin some more fruit. See ya!